If you're like me and you've always wanted to be able to get that cool, small nugget ice at home like you can get at restaurants, then the Rhone Pellet Ice Maker Machine might just be the perfect product for you. Keep watching to get all the details. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to talk to you about this awesome addition to my kitchen family. This is the Rhone Pellet Ice Maker Machine. You heard that right. You can get that pellet nugget ice like you get at restaurants like Sonic or Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out. Now you can get that at home. It makes these nice, beautiful little round pieces of ice. Nice and easy to chew. Great in drinks, whether it's a soda or your favorite cocktail. Really, really excellent ice. And this machine does it great. It's a very simple and easy to use and set up, but just works awesomely. Just a few facts. Once you turn it on, it starts making ice in about 14 minutes, and it's going to make about 30 pounds of ice every 24 hours, so a lot of ice. Now, it has a reservoir in the bottom here, so you fill that reservoir up. You can fill it up to the maximum line, and then you start the machine. And then it has a basket up top. This basket that's catching ice the entire time, and that basket will hold about just under 5 pounds of ice. So it can fill up, and then you can empty it into a bag, put that in your freezer, and let it continue making. Add water, let it continue making. You can add water manually, but what's cool, it does come with the tubing necessary to hook this up to a water supply. So if you just want it to be continuously running and continually making ice, then you can leave it hooked up to that. You won't have to add water. It'll just continue to make ice itself. I'm not using it that way. I just add water manually. You do want to add good clean drinking water, but I like adding it manually. You just pour it in there, and then when it gets out of water, you remove the basket, pour more water, add the basket back in. Now, it does have sensors in here so that if the water gets too low, it'll stop and it'll let you know that it's out of water and you need to add water. It'll stop running until you add water. Same thing with the basket. If the ice basket gets filled up to the rim, then it'll sense that the ice basket is full and it'll stop running until you empty the ice out. And once you empty ice out, then it'll pick up running again. Now, this thing is very nice looking, very stylish. You can see it's stainless steel, so it's going to look great inside your kitchen. Because this makes so much ice, it's not a small machine, but it's also not too big. The depth of it is about 17 inches, and it's also about 17 inches tall, so it's meant to fit right up underneath your cabinet, as you can see. And then it's about 9.5 inches wide. I like that it's not very wide, so it comes out a little bit, but it doesn't take up a lot of space width-wise on your counter. You do want to keep it, when you're running it, you have to keep it about 6 inches away from the back wall because it needs to be able to cool itself with the fan. And the container itself is insulated. So as it's making ice and the ice is dropping in there, it is insulated to keep cool. It is not a freezer. So you don't want to just turn it off and just leave your ice in there. It will over time melt, but it is extremely insulated, so it's not going to melt super fast. If you had a party or something, you could have this running and have people getting ice directly out of here. But if you want to make a lot of ice, then of course you want to put it in bags and put it in your freezer and pop it out. But as you can see, when you run this machine and when you're making this ice, you're getting that really cool, nice, small pellet size ice. It works great in glasses and cups to fill it up and give you that, lots of small pieces of ice help really keep your drink a lot cooler than, a few large pieces of ice, because you've got more drink coming into contact with the ice. On top of that, because it's that small ice, it's also easier to chew, and if you're someone that likes to chew on ice or snack on ice, then much easier than, of course, obviously big square ice cubes are not very chewable at all. But these little pellet ice, nugget pieces of ice are, so really great for that. This machine is very easy. You just sit it on your counter, you give it 2 hours after your first setup, make sure the refrigerant's settled, and then it's good to go. Now, the other thing this machine does have is a self-cleaning process. So periodically, if you're not going to be using it for a while, or if you're using it constantly, then ever so often you want to clean it out What's great is this is so easy to clean. It's got a little clean button up here. So you press that for 3 seconds, and then it runs a cleaning cycle, an 8-minute cleaning cycle to just run the water through the system, make sure it's cleared out, and then you've got drain tubes in the back here. You unhook those, put those over into the sink, and let the water all drain out of there. So it does have that nice self-cleaning to make sure that the machine stays clean. Obviously you have ice, you're going to be eating it, ingesting it. You want to make sure you're using clean water. You want to make sure the machine is staying clean as well. And this has that built-in cleaning feature to make sure you're getting high quality ice. Overall, this ice pellet machine from Rhone is awesome. I absolutely love it. I can't believe how much ice it makes. It does make a ton of ice, 30 pounds in about 24 hours. That's a lot of ice. So great for parties. To take with you. If you're traveling in an RV, you can use it on there. But for us, just great to have it on the house because we love this kind of ice. And I love having this kind of ice available for my, whether I'm drinking a soda, soft drink, or if I'm having a mixed drink, alcoholic drink. I just love this kind of ice. It's great. It keeps your drink nice and cold, but also I love the fact that it's chewable and easy to chew. So if you're looking for a Nugget ice machine, then this machine from Rhone is a really awesome product. Definitely something that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.